Welcome to another edition of the Nightcap. Tonight we will be going with the Old Fashioned. Learn to make it better than average drink in less than average time. Let's get it on. So we're going to build this one in the Nightcap official merch. Old Fashioned, biggest tip of the day, use a rye bourbon. We're going to make this a little sweet, not overly sweet, but the rye is going to cut through everything and just going to make it better. So we're going to start out with some simple syrup. A little tip, you're going to see most people doing half an ounce. Do a little bit more than half an ounce, but not quite 3/4 an ounce. So after that, we're going to go actually with the Angostura bitters. So we'll get that going, and we're going to give that pow, 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 4 pows of the Angostura. And now we're going to go with the orange bitters on top of that. So we'll go 1, 2, pow, pow. And there we have it. So overall 6 dashes of bitters in there. Here comes another tasty treat. Is we're going to go with a cherry. Today we're using filthy cherries. We'll get 1 cherry. Get some of that cherry juice in there also. Get that in. All right. We're going to come back and use this again. So let's put this to the side. So next thing we do, we were going to throw ahead and put the ice in there. And now we put in the rye bourbon. We're going to go with the Bulleit Rye. It's going to be 1.5 ounces. And we are going to put it in about 1/3 at a time and slowly mix that with the ice. So we'll just do a little bit and we'll start stirring it. Just to get a little bit more liquid and ice on there. So we'll get that in. Now put a little bit more on top of it. Again, just stirring. And then finally, the rest of the 1.5 ounces of the rye bourbon. So, got that in there. What we'll do next is we're going to throw in another cherry, and we're actually going to go and throw a little bit more of that cherry juice. Get that in there. Got your drink. And then top that with an orange peel. Drop that in. She's a Butte Clark. Cheers.